Not long ago, Mercedes flaunted the fresh out of the plastic new 2019 G-Class, the SUV's first evident upgrade since it was presented in 1979. Be that as it may, the same number of individuals rushed to call attention to it beyond any doubt didn't look like Mercedes had done significantly other than give the G-Wagen another inside. In the event that you watch the video beneath, however, you'll see a few of the general population in charge of building up the new 4x4 fan clarify that the one thing they were told they couldn't upset was the exemplary G-Wagen shape. This off-camera take a gander at how Mercedes built up the new G-Class is about 10 minutes in length, and keeping in mind that it can feel similar to a long business now and again, it likewise incorporates some really cool stuff. For instance, around the finish of the video, one worker exhibits that the new G-Wagen still sounds similar when you close in both the entryways. Beyond any doubt it's a little detail, yet it's decent to see that the update didn't dispose of the extravagance 4x4 Fensmar components. There's additionally a decent piece of film of the new G-Class driving rough terrain. As we found in our first ride, the new G-Wagen can deal with significantly more bad-to-the-bone trails than Mercedes highlighted in this video, however it's as yet decent to see it accomplish more than make Starbucks runs. Strikingly, while it doesn't say correct strength figures, it promises that the AMG variant will be more intense than the active model. Already, Mercedes had just discharged details on the G550, which utilizes an indistinguishable motor from the 2018 form. In its present shape, the 563 HP G63 is a long way from underpowered, yet don't be astounded if the better and brighter one matches the S63 603 HP.